Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another staycation video. So today we are at an amazing Airbnb which I'm going to be showing you guys in a few. So I just got here and one of the activities of the day is a massage. I've never had a professional massage my entire life, and due to the scope of my work, being a makeup artist and all, I bend a lot, and recently my back has really been troubling me. The massage is part of the activities today at my little staycation, so we are going straight into that. So let's get started with the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same.
So guys, I want to film some content. As you've seen, this place is really pretty and I want to take maximum advantage of it to get as much content as I can. So let me show you what I want to shoot. I have these Elsie London lipsticks that I want to do a swatch video for Instagram. I'm going to do my makeup quickly so that I can go ahead to film the other content that I need to film. And we are going to start with the eyebrows. I like starting by powdering my brows because I don't know whether you've experienced this, but sometimes when you want to draw your brows, it's very slippery because this area tends to be a bit shiny, but when you apply some powder, inakuwa sawa. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Cinnamon. We are going to do the brows. I have very many videos on how you can do your eyebrows on this channel. I will leave a link somewhere here so that you can check it out. Doing this very fast because I don't want the light to be over because I didn't carry my ring light. I'm using what's available. That's natural light and it's 5 p.m. so it will soon be off. It will soon be dark and I don't want it to be dark before I film my content. And the pencil I'm using is Davis number 3. And you guys can find every item that I'm going to use at our makeup studio, The Glam Hub. You can follow us on Instagram at The Glam Hub. I will leave a link in the description box below. And also, if you guys don't know, I do makeup professionally. So if you need makeup services for a wedding, you can definitely book me through my Instagram or through my email, which is always at the description box below. So we are now going to conceal the brows using a legal concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. guys, the lighting is terrible, so I've actually not been able to do any of those 2 videos that I wanted to do, because I really like it when my videos have good lighting. That is not something I can be able to compromise on. It will make me feel so bad. So, and I'm also hungry, so I think I'm also not thinking because of the hunger. So let's go to Quick Mart and grab some snacks and get some food and come prepare dinner. After we've eaten, we can watch a movie and, you know, just start relaxing and enjoying the staycation. Quick Mart is just outside here. How awesome is this? How amazing is this? We have Quick Mart, we have Art Cafe, Big Knife, Big Knife shawarma. I might not cook anymore. Guys, I'm at Quick Mart. I want to grab some snacks and then we can go.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
I'm back from Quick Mart. Let me show you guys what I have gotten. Okay, so I have, these ones are for breakfast, some pork chipolatas and muffins. This is the fresh baked cocktail muffins from Quick Mart supermarket. Amazing, amazing. Also got some cereal. This, I love this from a very long time ago, and it's been so long since I had it, so that's why I've gotten it. It's Mwangi mix whole grain cereal biscuits. So if you've not tried this, I highly recommend you to get them. They were going for, I think, 145 shillings. Got some toothpaste because I didn't carry and there is no toothpaste here. Got some eggs for breakfast as well. Milk and drinks. I love this. This is the Afia Tropical Carrot. I got this because it was on offer at 85 bob, but my favorite is this one, the Go Fruit Mojito drink. I really love this drink. If you've not tried it as well, try it and thank me later. So I also got this because why not? Who does not love our wows? Like, this is everything. This, let me even start with this. Funny thing, since I came here, I've not gone to the pool because when I was coming in, I saw so many Nigerians, and it's not like I don't like Nigeria. I saw so many Nigerian and West African guys, and I got scared of going to the pool area because the pool area and the gym is rooftop. So I'm waiting for my friends to come so that we can go together. I don't know whether it's social anxiety or whatever it is, but I have totally not been able to go to the gym to see the rooftop basically. I just want to remove my makeup. I feel more comfortable, and I want to show you guys the products that I use for skincare. So this is a deep cleansing facial oil. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me use this. So it's basically a facial oil, and it removes every trace of makeup. And for this one, since it's a foaming facial oil, ukipaka when you massage it on your skin, you need to apply it when your skin is dry. When you massage it on your skin, ukiosha, it actually foams and lathers, and once you rinse it off, all your makeup is gone. So that's what we're gonna be using today. And then after that, I moisturize using Nivea cream. It's just a Nivea cream. Yeah, so I didn't carry a lot of products. I carried a scrub as well, the one that I use. This is this Clearasil. What is it called now? I don't know. But it's a scrub. Let's do this. I'll just warm up the oil on my hands and then start to apply it on my skin. Hadi kwa macho because I had applied mascara and I want it off. And that black eyeliner I had applied upper chini. So you just take the time to massage so that it can break down the makeup. I had not applied a lot of makeup, but I still want to make sure I massage and give it enough time because I want my face to be totally clean. Whatever is left on my hand is what I'm removing the lipstick with. And it's very bitter. Huh? So you guys can see, nikipaka maji, when I apply water, it starts to lather and foam. So I'm just going to rinse this off. Using my scrub, just a little amount, because I scrub often, so I don't think I have a lot of dead skin. But I like to do this at least twice a week, or a minimum of once a week. So just scrub, and sometimes I use chemical peels instead of these physical scrubs. Yeah, I have a more detailed skincare video. I will leave it at the description box, or I will insert a link here for you to watch my skincare videos. I have a whole playlist. You are from how to know your skin type, from the products that you need to begin, or how to start a skincare routine, everything. I have all that content on this channel. And then we rinse off. Face is well rinsed. I feel so good. So good. And you can see, totally clean. The Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. So that's the amount I'm going to use. We just apply it. So I would highly recommend you guys to get this deep cleansing facial oil, especially if you wear makeup a lot. And it's available at the Glam Hub, and it's 1,500 shillings only. So if you need it, shoot me a DM or reach us on our page, the Glam Hub. Here is the shawarma from Big Knife and mojito. Wow. It's really nice. It's chicken shawarma, and then I got the spicy one, so it has a bit of pepper. Really nice. Guys, look at the view at night. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Look at these beautiful side lamps. Let me switch off the main one so you can see clearly. How beautiful is that?
It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
So guys, I'm at the 14th floor. I've come to check out the pool area and the gym. Also, they have a smoking zone. Yeah, so this is the smoking zone area on the 14th floor, which is the rooftop. and it's wide, very wide. Now problem is I don't know where the pool is exactly, but let's try to find it. This is the pool area. Today at least I've had a glimpse of it. It's beautiful. Next time I'm here when it's warmer, I'll definitely swim, but right now it's freezing, literally freezing. I wouldn't dare enter this water, but it's amazing. And the pool is definitely free. They also have a free gym, so let me take you to the gym. And there is some sort of resting area over here. This would be nice for photos. Wow.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
The gym.
So the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
I'm shocked there is no one here. I thought I would find people here. So the pool and gym is free. Oh my god, I need to come back here because I didn't experience any of this. I didn't come to the gym, I didn't swim. And then when you're working out, check out the view. Check out the view. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. And there is a shower and toilets and sinks that serve the gym. So guys, that was how my staycation went. I really had an amazing and restful time. I highly recommend this Airbnb apartment. For more details, the Airbnb link is in the description box. The contact also of the owner is in the description box. Highly recommend the place. Check it out sometime. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.